At Malasa Mex Contract, we are leaders in the manufacture of furniture and elements of crystal, metal, solid surface, and wood. We carry out projects internationally, offering a wide variety of products and services. We are experts in retail, hotels, restaurants, and residential areas. Malasa Mex Contract relies on the most advanced cutting-edge technology worldwide, which allows us to optimize the production process to meet the highest standards of quality and design in each project. We are part of Grupo Malasa, a business group with more than 10 years' experience in Mexico. The 19,000 square meter plant, installed in Querétaro, is conformed by the best technicians and specialists in the field, offering our customers fully personalized services. At Malasa Mex Contract, we understand our clients' needs in order to offer them fully customized services that can be adapted to any budget. We are design and aesthetics lovers. We take care of every detail, offering the highest quality and a unique level of service, which leads us at the forefront of the international market.